guys, welcome back to Deep Chinese. 我係你老師 Gloria. If you know how to make small talk in Cantonese, you can make more Cantonese friends. Number 3. Work and study. 做嘢同埋讀書. Another popular small talk topic is work or study. 你做咩㗎? 你做咩㗎? What do you do for a living? 你做咩㗎? You could also say 你做邊行㗎? 你做邊行㗎? Literally, it means like what area do you work in? 你做邊行㗎? 我係老師. 我係老師. I am a teacher, but something is not always easy to explain your job. Then you could tell them basically. For example, if you do IT, then you could tell people 我搞互聯網嗰啲嘅. 我搞互聯網嗰啲嘅. 我 I 搞 do something 互聯網 internet 嗰啲 something like that. 我搞互聯網嗰啲㗎. I do something related to internet. If their work are quite interesting or unusual, like social worker, it's quite special or interesting experiences for me. So maybe you could ask them, how could you become a social worker? 你點解想做社工嘅? 你點解想做社工嘅? 你 you 點解 why 想做 want to do 社工 social worker 你點解想做社工嘅? Why do you want to become a social worker? Or they seem very experienced. Then ask them 你做咗工程師幾耐啦? 你做咗工程師幾耐啦? 你 you 做咗 became 工程師 engineer 幾耐啦? 幾耐啦? How long? How long have you worked as an engineer? If they are still students, you could ask 你讀幾年級啊? 你讀幾年級啊? Which grade are you in? Or for college student, we could say 你大幾啦? 你大幾啦? Which grade are you in? 你幾時畢業啊? 你幾時畢業啊? 畢業 graduate 你幾時畢業啊? When will you graduate? And we could also ask, what's your major? 你讀咩專業㗎? 你讀咩專業㗎? 讀 study 咩專業 what major? 你讀咩專業㗎? What major are you in? Okay, that is what we learned today. Like and leave me a comment. Hope you will find it easily to talk with the Cantonese friends. See you guys. Bye bye.